it! Don't sit not be alive!
Our life of work is meaningful, and so we build and build.
What are these faces?
If you do not agree with us, then you will just be killed.
What?
Welcome to the Toolbox, our magic cannot fail. You must choose to join us, or you will go to jail.
Well, that's just blackmail.
La 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 la.
How do they sing? Do they even read? Do they even have lungs? How about vocal cords? Do they have them? This is scientifically impossible. Welcome to the Toolbox, friends! Oh, they've stopped singing. Thank goodness.
We have been waiting for you for a long time.
Wait, why?
We're so glad you are finally here.
Where is he? And why are you? Why are you? Yes, we've been waiting so long for you.
You are the chosen one.
Seriously, what's happening? No one has answered any of my questions yet. Not one.
Our world is in danger.
Whoa, not cool. You need to back up. I do not want anything with sharp spinning blades near me.
I am Twistina, Queen of Screwdrivia.
We are the kings and queens of our realm. I am Bam, King of Hamilton. And I am Sharper, King of Bladesville, land of the cutting tools.
And I'm Steve.
Not now, Stephen.
Okay, that's all I'm saying. Thanks for answering none of my questions.
My city is falling apart.
And why would I be the one to fix that? I'm a T-Rex. Look at these arms.
And all the screws in my city are coming loose.
You were literally standing right next to a screwdriver. Why don't you ask her to help you?
And my wood planks are too small and taste of failure.
That makes absolutely no sense at all.
But now you are here, and you will bring peace and unity to the land.
That sounds like a lot of work, and my favorite part so far was when you stopped singing.
You were sent here to complete the quest. The legends foretold of your coming.
You must complete 3 tasks, one for each of our glorious cities.
How do I leave this place? Is there an escalator or a rocket ship?
Once you have completed the task in each city, the Great Awakening shall occur.
That sounds awful. I want out. Can I go Dorothy styles and click my heels together while chanting "There's no place like home"?
The Great Awakening will be the end of the beginning.
Uh-huh. Can I call a taxi? I don't want to have a phone here. I don't have any pockets.
And all shall be made whole again.
Whole again. Got it. I just don't have any pockets either. Clearly, I'm gonna go look for a subway or a hang glider or something there's got to be a way out of the place.
Farewell, chosen one. We wish you luck.
You will find your way.
Those guys are crazy. On second thought, maybe I'm the one that's going crazy. What are you doing? I can't get away from these tools.
I'm not a tool. I'm a citizen of Screwdrivia. Are you on a quest?
Okay, you're a talking piece of metal. Got it. Those crazy kings and queens said I'm the chosen one. But I'm not, and I refuse to go on any quest of theirs.
You're heading for Screwdrivia. May I join you?
Oh, friends will lead the way.
Friends will guide us to the city of screws.
Of course they will.
Hey, purge my tail feathers. Say, you're not a tool. You didn't get sent here by a bunch of talking tools claiming to be royals?
Aha! Another chosen one.
How can there be more than one chosen one? That would make us the chosen two or the chosen duo. Maybe.
Yeah, I feel less special now.
Our cities will definitely be saved now that there are 2 of you. If one of you dies a horrible death, we will still have one left. Hooray!
A horrible what now?
Don't worry, whoever survives will also get a muffin.
Ew, I like muffins.
I feel like you're focusing way too much on the muffin and not nearly enough on the whole dying a horrible death thing.
Wait, what kind of muffin is it?
But no one gets the muffin if you both die, so you must be careful.
Will you stop with the muffin already? It doesn't matter when we're talking about death.
I couldn't help but overhear you were talking about the mythical muffin. I myself prefer pepperoni pizza.
Ooh, the muffin is mythical?
Do you guys even eat food?
No, but we like to smear it all over ourselves and imagine we can eat.
Hammer, you're confusing our guests.
Sorry, I get confused about where I am sometimes. Probably because I'm always hitting my head against hard objects.
Let us tell you the myth of the muffin while we continue on a journey to Screwdrivia.
Lovely. Lead the way, Screwball.
Oh, my name is Screwy. Screwball is my cousin.
Of course he is.
She.
Screwball is a she?
Isn't it obvious?
About this muffin, though.
The mythical muffin appeared to us from the sky one day.
I remember it like it was yesterday.
It happened yesterday.
Ah, yes it was.
We were all having a pizza slip-and-slide party down the main street of Screwdrivia. Everyone was smiling, laughing, and covered in marinara sauce. When suddenly, the muffin fell from the sky and landed on the ground. We all thought it must be a gift from God, so we called it the mythical muffin.
That's it? That's the myth? That's not even a myth. That's just a story about what happened.
Sounds delicious. Don't ruin it for me, Dinosaur. I loved everything about that myth, especially all the food.
Okay, so if we want to get out of this tool-themed nightmare, what do we have to do in your city?
You just have to fix the whole city. It's that simple.
The whole city.
Doesn't sound too complicated.
And you must finish before Queen Twistina returns home again.
Seriously? Didn't I just leave her behind like 5 minutes ago? If we turn around, we could probably still wave to her.
Behold, Screwdrivia!
Isn't it beautiful?
Screwdrivia, Screwdrivia, we welcome you to Screwdrivia. Screwdrivia, Screwdrivia, city made of bread. We take pride in what we are, shining bright like a shooting star, making pastries every day, sculpting our world just like clay. Screwdrivia, Screwdrivia, city made of bread. Screwdrivia, Screwdrivia, city made of bread.
Not at all what I was expecting.
This is the best thing that's ever happened to me.
I know how you feel.
It is truly amazing how long the city has lasted. Its citizens never rest. It takes a lot of hard work to keep a bread-based city together, especially when it rains.
Well, chosen ones, what will you do to fix our city? It is always breaking and being repaired again.
What do you use for repairs?
Frosting mostly.
I'm going to cry tears of happiness now.
I can't fix this. I don't even know where to begin. There's so much wrong with this place.
Show some respect, Chosen One.
All you have to do is solve our greatest challenge.
And that is?
We cannot seem to fix things fast enough to have the city together all at the same time.
I don't know what to do. It's ridiculous. You can't fix a city made of pastries. It's doomed to fall again and again.
Hey, good idea. Oops. Yum, I'll have this cleaned up in no time. What happens to my city?
Yeah, that was all us.
The chosen ones have came up with a solution to our problem.
Sorry about the mess. You'd honestly be better off building out of something like wood or metal or isn't edible.
I volunteer to clean everything up. This is a delicious tragedy.
I see! The chosen ones are so wise!
Seriously, I don't want to leave. I will stay until every crumb is eaten. Yes, we will rebuild again, but this time we will use wood and metal and fasten it all together with bolts and screws. Assemble a council of drivers and ratchets. We have much to discuss.
Yes, my queen.
Chosen ones, thank you for your wisdom and swift actions. I wish you luck on your journey to the other cities.
I will go with you to the city of Hammerton.
Yes, please escort our heroes to our great city. I will stay here and assist Queen Twistina in making preparations to rebuild.
It would be an honor, my king.
Yeah, I need to stay here. I can do more here than wherever it is you're going. I'll catch up once all the food is gone.
Up to you, Bood. See you later, I guess. Come on, Orange Hammer God. Let's get this over with.
Thank you, dear heroes, for saving the day. We cannot repay you, so please go away.
I'll go when I'm done eating. Chill out.
You do realize you're gonna have to change your national anthem, right? Finally.
My city is truly a wonder.
Thing I'm wondering is how I got here.
Oh, that's easy. We needed someone to come fix our world, and then you showed up.
So, did you all pray or make a wish on a shooting star or what?
No, our legends have been passed down for generations. Our troubles were foretold in those legends, which also spoke of the chosen ones who would fix everything.
Do you realize how ridiculous it is that in a world of tools, you can't fix the building issues you have?
It's all part of the prophecies.
Got it. Something, something prophecy, something, something I get to go home.
Home? I want to go home. Hey, you're not a tool.
I am.
Yes, I can see that. Dinosaur, are you trying to leave this world of tools too?
Yes, this place is a living nightmare.
Giraffe, you are another chosen one.
Is that a good thing?
Depends on who you ask. I think it's awful. My peacock friend is also a chosen one, but he's busy eating a city we accidentally destroyed.
Whoa, you guys threw a temper tantrum or something?
The chosen ones were wise to suggest rebuilding a new city with stronger materials.
Was it made of bread or something?
Yes. Yes, it was. And pastries, too.
Okay then. Where are you guys headed?
Hammerton, city of hammers.
Because I'm on a quest, apparently.
Well, I'm in. What do we do now?
That's easy. Follow us to glory.
Fine. What he said. Lead on, Hammerhead.
Behold, Hammerton.
Well, that was fast.
Welcome to Hammerton.
Or destroy. Big strong hammers are not toys. Hear the sound, we're not dumb. Hammers pounding like a drum. You are now in Hammerton. Building is how we have fun. You're in Hammerton, Hammerton, Hammerton. You're in Hammerton, Hammerton, Hammerton. You're in Hammerton.
Well, that was depressing.
I love that song.
Of course you do. Well, what do we have to do? Destroy another city and get a pat on the back for it?
Looks like the city is built out of wood and has a bunch of screws holding it all together.
Yes, glorious, isn't it?
But why did you build it with screws if you're all hammered? You can't fix anything without help from the screwdrivers.
Hey, you must be the chosen ones.
You have understood our problem so easily.
Well, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that hammers aren't supposed to be used with screws.
Are you a rocket scientist as well, chosen one?
Sure, why not?
I had no idea you work in the aerospace engineering field. Very impressive.
Right. Okay, so you have a city made of wooden screws. That makes no sense at all. Who has a screwdriver handy? I'll tighten up some screws and be done with this place.
No screwdrivers anywhere? Wow.
Well, it's kind of hard to see. Is there a light switch or something around here? Oh, there we go.
Oh my! Someone has turned on my giant magnet! Turn it off, quick!
Oops, my bad. Well, that could have been worse.
Our city is...
Ready to be built even better than before.
Ah, exactly what was suggested for Screwdrivia. The chosen ones are so daring with their solutions.
Right, because they totally meant to do that.
So we need to start over in order to bring about a bold new future for all Hammerkind.
Yes, that thing is what you should do.
You know, you could just bring all the wooden screws to Screwdrivia and have them build a new city there.
Yeah, and maybe use some nails so that you can help.
Maybe you should just join forces with the Screwdrivers and make a city together.
Yes, and build a bright new future for screwdrivers and hammers to live in harmony. I will propose marriage to Queen Twistina. She is the love of my life, and we will join our people as one.
Your Highness, what a fabulous idea!
A new day will dawn for Hammerkind.
Sounds awesome. So you're not mad at me and we've completed another task by accident. What's next? Come on, Draft, let's go.
Thank you, chosen ones, for your decisive actions. I wish you well on your quest. I will send for a guide to accompany you to Bladesville.
Awesome. Bye, Helmet people. Thanks for the, boost in self-esteem.
This isn't a very difficult quest now, is it?
No, I'm literally causing destruction wherever I go, and people are thanking me for it.
Did you ever think maybe that's why you were chosen?
Good point. Maybe I'm just snooky enough to deal with this world, and clumsy enough to be a hero.
Well, hey! Sharp object. Nice to meet you. Please don't hug me.
Aw, shucks. I'm big on hugs. I've heard all about you two, the chosen ones. But where's your peacock friend?
Probably in a curb-induced coma, back in what used to be Screwdrivia.
Haha, Bladesville.
Welcome to the city of saws.
Welcome to the city of saws.
You see us, they saw, and you saw us, the saws.
You see that we saw you, and you saw us, the saws.
And when see sawing, we see that you saw, and we saw sawing, we see saw.
And when we see sawing, we saw. And we will see us saw.
So say us the sawing till saws are sore, and sawing saw till we can't saw no more.
And when we see sawing, we saw all day long. When we saw no more, we saw until we're sore.
Saw. It's Grandpa Pa Saw's birthday.
I'm 10,072.
Peacock, where have you been? I've been following you for miles. I'm starving.
Ah, the candles! Somebody, put out the fire!
Yeah, your entire city is catching on fire now. Got any water?
Nope, water makes us rust.
Peacock, you just seen an entire city. I'm so sorry, Saw people. Hey, look, we made a thing happen that is good, possibly?
So fire engulfing the entire city is good?
Our city is in flames.
Yes, the chosen ones have set our city ablaze to help us.
You're welcome?
Perhaps you are right. Just like the other cities, we will rebuild stronger and better than ever. No longer will our city smell of failure. I prefer the smell of smoke and ash to the smell of failure. We will start anew and rise from the ashes like the phoenix and join the rebuilding in Screwdrivia.
Yeah, right. You can build one big city and rename it, Tool here.
What a fantastic name for a new city of united tools.
Unbelievable.
Chosen ones, fellow tools, let us all travel back to the city once known as Screwdrivia. It will now be called Toolkio. Bring along any unburned wood planks and as much as you can carry.
Okay, so we're all going back to the way we came now. Cool. But there's no food where Screwdriver was. I ate it all.
That doesn't seem possible.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you a peacock?
I think we both know the answer to that.
Wait, are you a peacock?
Sure. Why not? Let's go.
Walking, walking, walking out of Bladesville. Take the sign and walk some more. Walking, walking, walking. Walking through Hammerton, and now the Hammers join us. Take the sign and start to walk. Walking, walking, walking. Walking to Screwdrivia, now it is Toolkio.
You know, that song was very productive and straightforward.
I know, right?
Greetings, my friends. Welcome back. In your absence, we have made much progress toward rebuilding.
Yes, and I have proposed marriage to Twistina. She said no, but I'm totally cool with that. I'm definitely not being friend-zoned.
Twistina, would you marry me?
I don't know. Is the dinosaur available?
Hold, pass.
But, Twistina, I thought you said you were not looking for a relationship right now and needed to take some personal time to get back in touch with yourself as a self-reliant and independent woman.
Let us not be concerned about marriage. We will be united through our common goals and rules as equals in our new glorious city, Toolkio.
Let the celebration begin.
Ahem, my lady. We are not at all prepared for celebration and we will need some time. We are still standing in the middle of a city in ruins.
You guys got a point there.
Next Tuesday, then.
Thanks to our heroes, the Chosen Ones, we will enter a brand new era of unity, wisdom, and strength. As a token of our appreciation, please accept these pasta necklaces.
Jay, you shouldn't have.
Where did the pasta come from?
It's edible. I'm happy.
Hey, if you guys want to go home, all you need to do is just say, "Can I please go home now?"
Seriously?
Yep.
So we didn't need to do the quest?
Nope.
We could have said that at any time.
Yep.
Huh. So if I was just polite and asked nicely, I could have avoided all this trouble.
Basically.
Wouldn't that have messed up the prophecy or whatever?
Dunno. Maybe.
Okay, so do we all have to say it at the same time?
Wait, what about the mythical muffin? Ah, there it is. Oh, no!
Do we all have to say the magic words at the same time, or one for each of us, or what?
Meh, you'll figure it out.
Okay, can I please go home now? Whoa.